The Shark AV2501S AI Ultra brings smart, powerful cleaning to your home. With Matrix Clean navigation, it maps your rooms in precise grid patterns and makes multiple passes for spotless results. Its 13,000 pascal suction easily lifts dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The self-emptying base holds up to 30 days of dirt, while the True HEPA filter captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, perfect for homes with pets or allergy sufferers. With 360 degrees LiDAR mapping, voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, and a 120-minute runtime, it's always ready to clean smarter, not harder.